Porn is wasting the precious and productive time of youngsters. Time is so precious that no money can buy it, as the young age is most productive and efficient one, hence the time during age of 15 to 35 becomes even more precious in comparison to rest of the life. Porn is the greatest time waster ever. Youngsters watching porn waste their precious time and ultimately lose their productivity and failed in life. Porn is creating an unsafe society. For youngsters, a safe society is the most important platform to emerge young talents in various fields. Porn is the biggest crime that creating an unsafe society and surroundings for young girls and women. Youngsters influenced by porn is the somewhere other reason behind rapes. Porn is not only consuming time, focus, health, and money but also compromising the life of youngsters. Don't you think that due to excessive porn, failure is inevitable? All youngsters, you may realize it by yourself too. Porn is silently robbing money from youngsters. Not only health, but porn is also directly and silently robbing money from youngsters. There are many websites, apps, and areas where money from youngsters are being snatched by making them fool in the name of false pleasure. Despite investing in stocks, property, business, or on self-upgradation, youngsters are spending money in the game of porn that makes them broke and eventually failed in life. Porn is affecting the physical and mental health of youngsters. Good health is the prerequisite to achieve any success. That's why the old saying, health is wealth, has never been old. Porn is the greatest addiction in this entire universe. Youngsters become easily addicted to porn and not only affect their physical health but also the mental health. They feel guilt, depression, tiredness, and ultimately lose their confidence and failed in life. Porn is distracting and stealing the focus of youngsters. Focus is so important because it is the gateway to all thinking, memorization, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Here's a simple reality that if you can't focus effectively, you can't think effectively. Porn is the greatest distracting element available in this world. Due to porn, youngsters' mind remains busy in fake fantasy and hence unable to innovate and execute anything efficiently and ultimately